Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome back in a new video. My name is Manip and I'm from Villalok. Today I'm telling you about how to register a finger, how to generate a password, how to register a card in smart lock Q7-3 black. Just press star hash, then you need to enter a admin password, that is 6-digit password. You generate 1 2 3 4 5 6 and just press hash and also add it again. Now your admin password is generated. Here some setting is coming, 1 for add user and 4 for admin. When you press on the 4, there is the admin setting. Just press on it and also scan your finger on fingerprint. Now admin is added, also password, also finger. Just press 1 to add new user. Here you can add any other finger, and also you can scan any card that you have. It is also added as a user. And also you can generate password, not double the admin password, just generate the new one, 4 5 6 7 8 9 4 5 6 7 8 9. Just also confirm it, and now all the things is added. Just check these setting, these things is added or no. Just scan your finger for user, that is you added. See, it will work. And also for unlocking, see, the door is unlocked. And also you add a password, that is you added as a administrator password 1 2 3 4 5 6 and just press hash. Now it is unlocking. And also you can go, if you want to go into the setting, just press star hash and just enter the admin password, or just scan your admin finger. Then you can go into the setting also. See, thank you. Just stay with us. In the next video we will tell you about how to connect this one with your mobile application. Okay, thank you.